Tojo, what happened?
It's too small now. Mommy! It's too small now. It's too small now. It's too small.
In these growing years, Tojo's nutrition shouldn't fall short. That's why I give new Junior Horlicks. That has 27 nutrients like DHA and protein, which helps in the physical growth and brain development of a child. Complete nutrition for complete growth.
The Voice of the People Party, VPP, has lodged a complaint with the Election Department against the unfounded allegation made by National People's Party, NPP, leader and Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council's chief executive member, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, that the VPE caused law and order situations during the NPP's election meetings. VPE election agent Danny Langstier said Syiem made the allegation on April 6 and 9th while campaigning for his party at Rinjah in East Khasi Hills district and Meghalaya together, a community-based organization established to bring about greater understanding and feeling of oneness between the different communities residing in Meghalaya, has launched its free coaching classes at Laban Assamese Higher Secondary School for a select group of students, 43 in total. There are a total of 4 teachers who have experience of conducting coaching classes